If we were to measure cost and the value of stress, how much would it cost to always make sure you have the proper gear you need when you're going out for day hike, camping, hunting, whatever it is, anytime you're stepping out into the woods? How valuable would it be to know you don't have to remember to pack your ferro rod because it's already packed and you forgot you even packed it? Odds are you'll probably remember to pack one. But in the situation in which you forgot it or you lost it, or like in that show Alone, the guy dropped it in the fire, things happen. What if you just always have one on your person and on your pack? So small, so inconspicuous, you don't even know it's there until you need it and you remember you have it. I think it is actually 1 inch. Tiny, tiny ferro rod. Now you may be thinking, can I even use this? Yes, I'm about to show you how. There are little tricks to it. Here's what I do. First, I feed some bank line through it and tie a knot. Size matters. So when I did this, what I did was put it on like kind of like a pair of brass knuckles, measured where I need to tie my knot, did my cuts, took this off, basically tied a knot, because I do need 2 fingers widths. Now this is my way of doing it. If you got another way, by all means let me know. This is how I do it. It seems to be the most productive and efficient way to do it. So 2 things. 1, this makes it easier to use. 2, I can very easily just throw this on my pack. Just find this little zipper pouch, find a little zipper string, tie in a girth hitch. I put my ferro rod through that loop, pull it tight. Now, 1, I got a good toggle to unzip, but I'm not going to lose it. It's there all the time. That is not going to come undone. And if I need it, it's right here. And to get it off, super simple. You just pull in a knot, feed it through, and it comes undone. I can put a whole bunch on here and forget about it. Option 2, you put it on your shoelaces, but you don't put it where you think you want to put it. At the very end, like the first step when you're tying your shoes, and that little centerpiece so it's all symmetrical. You don't want to do that, because to get to that in a survival situation, it's just silly. Think about it. You're cold, you're tired, you're stressed, maybe you're wet, you're desperate, all these things. Now you got to untie my shoes and then tie them back together. Not a huge deal, but it's a waste of time. Why do that? And plus, untie your shoes, danger comes, whatever it is, and you got to tuck tail and run. It's just a compounding negative things. So let me show you how I do this. I put it here. The last time I feed it into my shoe with my shoelace, that's where I put it. So when I need it, it's literally just take one strand out. Now it's here. Now I'm going to keep this on here. So all I need to do, pull it to about that much, give myself about 4 or 5 inches to work with. That's all. Check this out. I'm going to show you both ways. Now with these ferro rods, you are going to have to put in a little extra effort or time in your tinder bundle, because it does not shoot sparks like a 5-inch Bayite would. First, I'm going to use my Bayite pack ferro rod. Just to reiterate how easy it is to get out. There's no knots, it's just a hitch. You might be thinking, I'm going to hold it like this, but I got the cordage in the way, so that doesn't work. So all I'm going to do, stick 1 finger in both loops. Now it's uncomfortable, and I was practicing this earlier. I got a little cut, is what it is. But let's just put this guy to action. Before I forget, you can buy these on my store, PikeAntlerProject.com. Click on store. Takes a while, but it's effective. Now, let's try the shoelace. What I'm going to attempt to do is not even take my shoe off. Give myself about 5 inches. Give myself a loop. I'm going to put my finger in that loop, tighten it up. Now here's my working setup. And I'm aware I'm using my blade. I know someone's going to have something to say about it, but my argument's always, when am I using my knife and not dulling the blade? And I tried the back of my blade. This is what I carry with me all the time. So I like practicing with what I know I'll have. And if I got to dull my blade a little bit to stay alive, I will. If these types of skills pique your interest and you want to learn more, I strongly suggest scheduling a phone call with me for free. Links in the description. Just schedule the call. I'll answer any questions I possibly can for you, with the intent of getting you into an environment where you can reset, feel alive again, just break the monotony of life, the wind and grind. Have some fun, wake you up, learn some real skills that will keep your ass alive.